Ready to break free from LinkedIn? Here's your guide to permanently deleting your account on both your phone and computer in under 2 minutes. Let's start on your phone first. Open the LinkedIn app, then tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access settings. Next, tap settings, scroll down until you find account preferences. And then tap this in the new menu, look for data and privacy and tap it, scroll to the bottom of the data and privacy screen. You'll see the option closing or managing your account. Tap this. And then on the next screen, choose close account. You will be prompted to select a reason for leaving LinkedIn and then tap next after that. Confirm that you want to close your account. You may have to input your password for verification to permanently remove your account if prompted. Follow the last few steps presented by the application, and you're done. If you're on your computer, head to LinkedIn, command log and click on your profile picture on the top right of the home page, and from the drop-down menu, choose settings and privacy. Select the account tab. You will see account management. Scroll down a bit until you see the option to close account. Click on the change. The next screen will begin the closure process just like the mobile app. By asking you for the reason you're deleting your profile, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm your decision. That's it. Your LinkedIn account will be scheduled for permanent deletion, typically within a few days.